going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Welcome to another episode of Bartending with Bones. Today is all about gin. If you notice the hashtag up top, or if you're old school like me, it's called #, people. Do hashtag old school down there in the comments. Let me know you old school. But anyway, I steered clear of gin drinks just because my first taste of gin was an extra dry martini in honor of my wife's grandmother, who loved extra dry martinis. And I tell you what, I did not like it. So I just steered clear of gin drinks altogether. And I tell you, I gotta do one. So this one's for y'all. Today we're doing up the Allen cocktail. It involves lemon juice, cherry syrup, and Tanqueray gin. Let's begin. First, you need a shaker cup with some cracked ice in it and a martini glass or a cocktail glass. Get your jigger, flip it over to the pony end. You need 1/4 of an ounce of some lemon juice. Then flip it over. You need 3/4 of an ounce of cherry syrup. Now you need 1 whole jigger, that's 1.5 ounce of gin. Go ahead, shake it up. Strain it out. Cheers, everybody. Tastes pretty good. Kind of reminds me a little bit of a cherry cough syrup and cherry lozenges. If you're a fan of that, this drink's for you. It's not bad. Just reminds me of that. So, not saying I'm a fan of gin, but I'll give it more of a shot for other drinks. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.